Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change image resolution in WordPress, step by step. If your images look blurry, stretched, or your site is loading too slowly, this quick guide will help you fix that in just a few minutes. So stick around till the end because I'll also share how to choose the perfect resolution for the best performance and quality balance. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress homepage. In the top right corner, click on Login. If you're using a WordPress.com account, you can easily sign in using Continue with Google. Just pick your Google account and boom, you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, scroll down to the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This will open up the WordPress site editor where you can directly edit your pages, posts, and images. Now, locate the image whose resolution you want to change. Click on that image block once, and on the right hand side, you'll see a panel appear. If you don't see it, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings panel. In this panel, scroll down until you find the resolution or image size section. Here's where the magic happens. This section lets you adjust your image's dimensions and quality. You can resize the image to make it sharper or reduce its file size to improve loading speed. If your site feels sluggish, try lowering the resolution slightly. It'll load much faster without a huge drop in quality. But if you're working on a portfolio or photography site, a higher resolution is best to keep those images crisp and detailed. So here's a quick tip. Use high resolution, around 1920 pixels width, for hero, banners, or portfolio visuals. Use medium resolution around 1200 pixels width for blog posts or general images. And use lower resolution under 800 pixels width for thumbnails or icons. This balance keeps your site looking great and performing fast, which search engines and visitors both love. And that's it. You've just learned how to change image resolution in WordPress using the built-in site editor. Remember, always balance clarity and speed to keep your website professional and optimized. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.